Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a really delicious, slightly sweet, protein-packed smoothie, right? It's that time of year, new you, let's get to making it. Okay, so this is a really great smoothie for a couple different reasons. It's protein-packed, it's not too sweet, and like I said, it's new year, new you, right? So if you're looking to eat healthy and you want to do it on the go, this is a wonderful smoothie just sort of out the door, or you can make smoothie cubes to prep it and have it later, but it's just packed with protein from the hemp hearts and the quinoa. And you know, it's really flavorful from the mango and the banana. And we're also gonna put spinach in it. So there's just a lot going on. I'm gonna add in some mango chunks. Okay, so now we're gonna add in some quinoa, some hemp hearts, some fresh spinach. So one thing that's really great about smoothies, they're delicious, healthy, but making them every single morning or whatever can be a pain in the butt because you're always doing meal prep or you're always washing stuff, whatever. So one thing that's really wonderful about smoothies is you can meal prep them. You can put them in an ice cube tray, make large batches of them, and then just take the ice cubes out as you want to use them. So you don't have to necessarily blend and make a smoothie every single morning. You can also freeze them in a popsicle mold so you have a smoothie on the go. So just a couple different ways that you can consume them and still get all those health benefits. So I'm just going to add in some unsweetened almond milk that's vanilla flavored. And then just blend. Okay, so now we have our delicious healthy green smoothie. Like I said, quinoa, hemp hearts, protein packed, spinach, super delicious, super flavorful. I think you're gonna like it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you wanna see, hey, drop a comment below. And if you like to eat, drink, and cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So this smoothie is a great way to I forget what I even said, how I even said it.